Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create your GEICO insurance online account. GEICO is a private American auto insurance company which provides motorcycle, ATV, RV, snowmobile, jewelry insurance options. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open a web browser on your device and on the top search bar type geico.com. You'll be then led to the official website of GEICO Insurance. Here on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the login button. Click on it and then you'll be able to view these options. Since we're going to create our account, you'll have to click on the Activate Your Account option. Then you'll be led to the online activation page. Now on the policy number section, you can choose from either auto-cycle policy number or property policy number. Just below that, on the box, you'll have to enter the policy number. Now, you'll have to enter your date of birth, then your mailing zip code, which will be of 5 digits. After you've entered all your credentials, now all you'll have to do is click on this Continue button. After you click on Continue, you'll proceed for the next process, where you'll need to provide some information about yourself. Then you'll be provided with your username and password. And finally, you'll have successfully created your GEICO insurance account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.